video session. Today we are going to take Unit 2 Animal Life. Come, let's get into the video.
Term 3 Unit 2 Lesson name Animal Life. In this lesson, we will be able to differentiate various habitats of animals, identify the eating habits of animals in their surroundings, know the mouth parts of birds and insects, realize the importance of food chain and food web in the environment. Come, let's get into the lesson. Animals in different environment. Our earth provides place for lakhs and lakhs of animals to live. The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. The basic needs such as food, water, shelter and place to breed are found in a habitat. Habitat can be as big as a forest or as small as a leaf. Animals live in different conditions. For example, whales live in sea water and fox live in forest land. Land habitat or terrestrial habitat. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Example, ants, cats and lion. Some of the land habitats are plains, forest. Plains are the habitat of animals such as rat, cow, camel, hen, etc. Forest are the habitat of animals such as deer, fox, bear, bison, etc. Next, water habitat or aquatic habitat. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, dolphin and crab. Water habitat is divided into two types: freshwater, marine, that is seawater. Freshwater, pond, lake and river are freshwater habitats. Many animals such as tortoise, mussel, fish and crab live here. Seawater. Seas and oceans are saltwater habitats. They inhabit animals such as shark, jellyfish, sea snake, starfish, etc. Next, we are going to study about arboreal animals, aerial animals and amphibious animals. Arboreal animals. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkey, squirrel. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly most of the time are called aerial animals. Example, crow, dove. Amphibious animal. Animals that need both land and water to live are called amphibians animals. Example, toad, frog. How do animals get their foods? Animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other plant-eating animals for their food. They move in search of food. Classification of animals based on their eating habits. Do all animals eat the same type of food? Have you ever seen a lion eating grass or a goat eating meat? Why do not animals eat all types of foods? It is because different animals have different food habits. Herbivorous. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivorous. Plant eaters. Example, deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. They have sharp, straight-edged, flat front teeth called incisors to bite the grass and leaves. Carnivores. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Example, hyena, tiger, lion, cheetah and seal. They have sharp pointed teeth called canines. Canines are used to tear the flesh of animals. Omnivorous. Some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. These animals are called omnivorous animals or omnivorous. Example, bear, man, crow, hen and fox. These animals have a combination of tearing, biting and grinding teeth. Let us study about the mouth parts of animals. The teeth have different shape and size based on their functions. Today, we will learn more about these mouth parts. Mouth parts are different parts of the mouth that are adapted based on the nature of food that the animal eats. Elephant. The elephant uses its trunk for picking up food and sucking water. Dogs. Dogs and cats lick liquids with the help of their tongue. Butterfly. The butterfly has a tube-like structure to suck nectar from flowers. Mosquito. The mosquito has a needle-like structure to suck blood. Lizards. The lizards and frogs have a sticky tongue to catch insects. Next, let us learn about beaks of birds. Eagle. Eagle has strong, sharp, curved beak to catch prey and tear its flesh. Kingfisher. Fish-eating birds have spear-like beaks designed for stabbing fish. Parrot. The hooked, sharp beak of parrot helps to collect and eat the grains. Woodpecker. Strong, chisel beak of woodpecker is used to make hole in the trees and catch small insects. Sparrow. Sparrow has short conical beak which helps to crack open the shells and extract the inner nut or seed. Duck. Duck has flat beak that helps to grip plant and insects from water. Now let us learn about the food chain. When you look around, you can see the following. The grass is food for deer and deer is food for tiger. Plants are food for grasshoppers and grasshoppers are food for bird. From these examples, we observe that plants are food for many animals, which is turn become food for other animals. Let us look at the picture below. Grass, deer, lion. This is a food chain. It gives us information on how living things are related with one another by the food they eat. Here, the grass is eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by the lion. A food chain usually starts with plants and ends with carnivorous or omnivorous. Other examples for food chain: leaves, caterpillar, small birds, hawk. Grass, grasshopper, rat, owl. Now let us study about the food web. Every organism can feed on different kinds of food. So, a single organism will be a part of many food chains. These food chains are interconnected to form a web. Hence, a food web is an interconnection of multiple food chains. Transfer of energy between organisms of different energy sources occurs through food web. Here is an example given for food web. So children, with this we came to the end of the lesson. Let us meet in the next video session. Thank you.